What's up, cousins? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I got this soft glam everyday look, keep on watching.
I like it, I like it, I love it, I love it. She know that I am head honcho. Better get over here, baby, pronto. You say that you want that new condo, girl, I better love it.
So we are back with another makeup tutorial, and today we are going to be doing an everyday soft glam makeup look. And this makeup look is really quick. It usually takes me around 15 to 20 minutes. It doesn't have that many steps. The most you have to do is blend, babe. But right now we are taking some brown eyeshadow and I'm putting that on my eyelids because for me, I always put eyeshadow on because I have veins on the top of my eyelids and you can see them. They're opaque and I don't really like that. So yeah, I am taking some brown eyeshadow and I'm just making sure that is blended out really well because we don't want anything too dramatic for an everyday soft glam kind of look. So I'm putting that all over my eyelids and making sure it's blended out very well. We just want a little bit of color. And now we're going to go in with some primer. And I didn't use my good primer because I'm not going anywhere. But this one's still pretty amazing. It has that marshmallow consistency. And I'll put the name of it in the description box. But it really blurs your pores. And blurs your pores. You know what I'm trying to say. And it makes your makeup lay really flat. And I really like that. Now we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation, and even with my hyperpigmentation and dark spots, this makeup, even though it's light, it still covers and it still makes the foundation look like my skin. And babe, I got this a while back and I don't know why I'm just now picking it back up again. I think I used it once, but I decided to use it today. And yeah, you see how that it's blending right into my skin? I really love that for me, babe. And I'm just using a Real Techniques brush to blend that in. And I am patting that in. I'm not swiping it. I'm not sweeping it. I'm not dragging it or anything like that. I am just patting that foundation. Is that even a foundation or is it skin tint? Whatever it is, I'm just patting that into my skin. And now we're going to go in with concealer. And I don't know, concealer just does it for me. It's my favorite step. If it looks like I'm putting on a lot, babe, just mind your business. Trust the process. You don't have to put on this much concealer. I do it because I don't like to try to move product around. So I don't like to put it in one spot and then try to sweep it or swipe it or move it to another spot on my face. I want to put my product exactly where I want it to be. And yeah, that's why it looks like I'm putting on quite a bit. It doesn't look like I'm putting on quite a bit. I actually am like guilty. You can see me putting on a lot, but hey, the end result, that's all that matters, is the end result. So yeah, I'm going up under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, around my nose and my mouth area. Then we're going to do our little chinny chin. Yes, can't forget the chin. And we're going to do our forehead, babe. Now I'm going in with this black opal foundation stick so that we can contour. And I'm putting this contour above my cheekbone, not below it, because that will defeat the purpose of looking snatched, baby, and chiseled if you put it below where your cheekbone is at. And then I'm going to put that on my jawline. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this out and let my concealer dry. So by the time I'm finished blending out the contour, the concealer will be ready to blend. It should be tacky. It shouldn't move that much. But yeah, we're just going to go in with this is an angled foundation brush and I got it off of Amazon and I don't know, I really like it. I don't know. I'll link the name of the brush in the description box. But I'm just patting that into my face. I'm not sweeping. I'm not trying to move the product from one place to another. I'm just patting it in place. And now we're doing our little jawline so we can have that Squidward, handsome Squidward face. That's the motto. That's what we want. Handsome Squidward, babe. And now I'm just going in with another Real Techniques brush. And I think this is a concealer brush. I see a lot of other people use it for concealer. So it might even say concealer brush on it. I don't know. I'm tripping. But we are just going in and blending out our concealer. And I'm patting it. I'm not swiping it. I'm not dragging it. I am just patting that in. Now I'm just going back in with some more contour because I kind of dragged the concealer down a little bit too far and it took away from my contour, but that's okay, we can fix that. And now I'm gonna lightly contour my nose. I love my nose the way it is, so I only lightly contour it. I don't do too much. I know there's a whole lot that I can do, or there's a whole lot of things that people do to their noses, but I'm cool with how my nose is. Now I'm just taking a beauty blender and making sure everything is blended together. No patches, no gaps, making sure everything is married together. And now we're gonna go on top of our contour with some bronzer. And this Maybelline bronzer, I love it so much. It's affordable. It compares to other bronzers. I just love it. It really, really helps warm up the face. And I'm just going in circular motions. Again, I'm taking that and making sure that it's above my cheekbone and I don't blend it downwards. We want to go towards our eye. And now we're going to end with setting powder. This video is going really, really fast, babe. Now we're going in with setting powder, and I don't bake. I'm so terrified of flashback and looking ashy. So I always just pat my setting powder into my face. One day I'll learn how to bake, but today is not that day, babe. So I just take that setting powder and I blend it or pat it in to my under eye area. And I only really do that to my under eyes. I don't do it to my forehead or my nose or anywhere else. Just underneath my eyes. And since this is an everyday makeup look, we're not going to go too crazy with the blush. But this is the Juvia's palette volume 1, I believe. Blush, and I love blush so much, but like I said, we're not going to go overboard with the blush. And I am just taking that and putting that on the apples of my cheeks and hit you with a fake smile. There you go. And I am going in circular motions, and again, I'm doing it light-handedly because this is an everyday makeup look. And I feel like it's coming together pretty nicely. She's kind of cute or whatever. Now we're going in with Oh Reliable, and that's a Maybelline, right? That's Maybelline mascara. Whatever it is, it's Oh Reliable. Everybody knows this mascara, and I always put mascara on my bottom lashes. For me, I look crazy without putting mascara on my bottom lashes, so I always do that. And now we're going in with a lip liner, and I got this from the beauty supply store, and I refuse to pay $25 for a lip liner when they work almost exactly the same. I don't know, ma'am. This is $1. I'm gonna stick by it, babe. I'ma stick beside it. And my lips are already pretty big, so I don't overline or do any tricks or anything to add any volume to that. But yes, we are almost done. Now I'm gonna go in with a lipstick, and it is a matte lipstick, again from the beauty supply store. And yes, we're gonna just blend that in. And babe, if you got to the end of this video, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you come back to see me again. And yeah, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and bye.